Good morning. Today is April 30th. We are in Chiayi, Taiwan, and today we are going on a bit of a food adventure. We are going to an island, and I don't know what the name of the island is, but I will tell you as soon as I know. And we are going to be doing lots of eating, lots of cool stuff, so. We have arrived to our first destination. This is the Budai Fish Market, and we're right on the coast here, and yeah, we're gonna go see some fish. This is a typical Taiwanese market. It is really crowded, a little stinky, lots of cool food, and things are looking good, so I'm getting hungry. So at the Budai Fish Market, there's actually lots of little sit-down restaurants tucked away, and we found one, and we're sitting down now to have seafood lunch. First thing we're gonna try is one of these razor clams. Little razor clams. I'm gonna try it just by itself. Oh yeah, it comes right out of the shell. Oh yeah. Oh, that's actually really salty. And maybe they cooked it with a little bit of soy sauce. We have so much seafood here. This is gonna be a feat to eat, but we have a really nice looking fish here, so I'm gonna dig into that. Okay. Lots of ginger, and then I'm gonna grab one of these. Okay, so this is actually a coral trout. I don't think I've ever had this kind, and it's topped with lots of ginger, some carrots, and some greens. Also something called, I believe is a gooseberry, and I really like those, so try that. Oh yeah. The gooseberry has like almost like a lemony, like really sour lemony taste. There's definitely lots of like pepper and ginger. And then that fish is like really smooth and good. Okay, this is a deep fried oyster with a little bit of salt and some fried basil. Oh yeah, hot and fresh. It's like crispy on the outside, but sort of like slimy on the inside. And then the basil is really nice. This meal is awesome, and these razor clams are really good. This time I'm gonna dip it into the chilies. It's like a chili soy sauce. Yeah, that's gonna be good. Oh yeah, that's so good. It is salty, but I think the first one I had was like too much salt, but this one's really good, and those chilies are spicy. We just finished lunch at the seafood restaurant, and that was really, really good. There's so much fresh seafood here, and now we've kind of walked outside and found an auction. So I think they're setting up to do a seafood auction, and it is really busy in here. There is every single imaginable seafood here, and yeah, I've never seen so many different kinds of fish in one spot. We've got stingray, sharks, flatfish, squid, octopus, yeah, pretty much everything you could imagine. That was really cool. This is the Budai Fish Market. We're in Chiayi County, and that's on the western coast of Taiwan. Super cool. We're gonna go see what else we can find. So we have driven about 20 minutes away from Budai to an area called Dongsi, and we are going to an island called Waisandingcho. Waisandingcho. And this is a very small island. It's almost kind of just like a sandbar. So I'm pretty excited to see it. And all those oysters we were eating earlier at the fish market, this is where they were caught. So you can see the oyster farms down there. I'm really excited to go on this boat.
Yay!
Getting onto the boat now. This is the boat we are going on to the island. Pretty sweet. On the boat now. This is a pretty cool boat, traditional Taiwanese style boat, and I think it should be about a 1 hour ride. We're on the boat now. This is pretty cool. They're doing a completely Chinese introduction to everything we're seeing, so we have no idea what's going on. But it's really relaxing and yeah, nice little cruise. We're getting really close to the island now, and we are just surrounded with oyster farms, or I guess these little rafts that can grow the oysters. And apparently one raft can grow 1,000 or more oysters. So yeah, that's a lot of oysters. They're pretty much as far as the eye can see. There's actually a kitchen in this boat, and the chef is preparing our dinner right now. So I'm gonna go check it out. Okay, just landed ashore here on Waisandingcho, and yeah, this is pretty much just like a big mud flat, and apparently in a few years this is not going to exist because of the water level rising, and we've got some sort of a device here that apparently we're going to catch some clams with. So let's see Sabrina try this.
I think I got this unlocked.
Yeah, go. Wait, no. Okay, go. I just saved a sea turtle's nose. Thank me later, sea turtle. Apparently this island a few hundred years ago used to have some people that lived on it. But now, since it's pretty much almost underwater already, and it's definitely gonna be underwater in a couple of years, everyone's moved out. And it's quite a big island actually. So I would definitely recommend, you know, if you're looking for something off the beaten track, it's a pretty cool little tour. Heading back to the boat now. That was a relatively short stop here on the island. But yeah, really beautiful, and definitely recommend if you get the chance. And I already forget the name of this island. We sort of just fought our way to the buffet at the back of the boat, and now we are cruising back to mainland Taiwan. And we've got some fish balls and some cabbage and some noodles, so we try this here. Oh, it looks like some tofu. Noodles, I think. Bean sprouts. And of course, oysters. I think I've eaten so many oysters today. This might be the most oysters I've ever eaten one day. Fish ball. Yeah, really good. So I think that's pretty much the end of our activities for the day, and we're just gonna cruise back to the land, and I'll check back in with you when we get home. Okay, back at the apartment. That was such a fun day, going to the fish market and then on the boat and eating lots of good seafood. I think that was the most oysters I've ever eaten in one day. But yeah, they were awesome. So I hope you liked this food vlog, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And let me know if you have any questions about the places we visited in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.